So I was a victim of domestic violence 4.5 years ago. My ex-partner turned up at my home, came in. On this particular day I had a feeling that something wasn't right. I knew that it was different to normal times. And I couldn't put my finger on it. I knew he'd been drinking. He drank a lot, and that was always the catalyst behind the arguments that we would have. But leading up to this, he'd never been violent, physically violent. It was always mentally. It would be a sympathetic, "Oh, please don't leave me, I promise I'll change." And this went on for 7 years eventually. I fell pregnant with my son, and it was at that point that I thought, I need to make a change for my benefit and for my child's benefit. I need to leave him. So I got this strength, and he left, and this day came around in the August. He turned up, knocked on the door. I just wanted to come in, I just wanted to see my son, and he just was completely different. And I ended up on the floor in my kitchen, being hit several times over the head with my oven door.